Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable and disable TalkBack on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So the first thing that we need to do is go to settings, and then over here we need to scroll down and find accessibility. Now choose TalkBack, and over here we have use TalkBack. If you tap on the slider, then you'll need to allow TalkBack to have full control of your device. So if you allow, then we can start using the TalkBack function. Now this is how we can use TalkBack. So the first thing that we can do is if we swipe right, then we will move to the next item. So if you have like selection of buttons, then we can swipe left in order to go back and right in order to go next. And then if you want to confirm the action, you want to double tap on the screen anywhere. So if you double tap, then you confirm. If you want to go back, then of course you will have the button highlighted. So then you can double tap, and there we go. Now we are back. If you are stuck like this, then you can keep swiping right until you are in the TalkBack, double tap. You might also be able to simply press on the screen on an object in order to select it. So you can also just tap on it instead of swiping, and then double tap to enter. And now over here, let's keep swiping to go to use TalkBack once again. And if you want to disable it, then double tap over here, swipe to until you are at the stop, and then double tap, and there we go, TalkBack is now disabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.